everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 734 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out the Wanderlust Powder Foundation because reading about this, it sounds amazing. And I do want to disclaim, as always, that this was sent to me for free by Wander Beauty, but this is not a sponsored video. They didn't even ask me to create this video. I am just, as always, so excited to show you the makeup product that I'm trying out today. And I love the brand Wander Beauty. I've tried out a bunch of products from this brand so far, and I have been loving them. So I'm really excited about this. I got this in the shade Light. It comes in 12 different shades. It retails for $40. It's available at Sephora. And oh my gosh, this just sounds so nice. It's supposed to be hydrating ultrafine powder with globally sourced skin-loving ingredients that glide on and last all day. Like, there are a lot of really amazing sounding ingredients in this. It's supposed to be full coverage, minimize pores, never look cakey. It's talc-free, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate-free, cruelty-free, synthetic fragrance, mineral oil, and gluten-free. So let's check it out. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I feel like Wander Beauty products are just always so beautifully packaged. Okay, so let's see here. It's got the mirror inside. Ooh, a really nice puff. It says you can get full coverage if you apply it with this applicator here. So I'm gonna try that out. Here is what the shade Light looks like. Looks like a perfect match. So I love that this cover can go back on. It's not just a disposable piece of plastic on top of it. So that'll keep this very travel friendly without spilling out. Okay, so to start out, I will try using this applicator and then I'll use my usual sponge to see how it applies that way, but I'm just pressing it in here. I'm gonna try patting. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. This, I can tell already. Perfecting coverage. So pressing it into the skin works so well if you really want to get as much built up coverage. Wow. And then, yeah, you can also drag it along the face, and that works really easily to blend it. Like, it looks so smooth with this applicator. Sometimes the applicators that come with these products don't actually do a good job of applying them, and it'll blend them out unevenly, but no, this is actually doing a very smoothing job. I really like this applicator, actually. And I'm really liking the coverage. It's looking really nice on the skin. It's definitely buildable. Like, I'm even able to get into the crevices of my nose with this applicator. It looks so beautiful and good coverage, but very natural. This says no cakiness, and that is so true. It looks so smooth on the skin. Blends out so easily. Okay, so wow, look at that difference, and that's applied with the applicator that comes with it. And I think that worked so well. But just because I'm trying this out for the first time, I am gonna go ahead and also try it out with my dampened beauty sponge, which I know is my go-to method for applying makeup, powders, liquids, everything. Oh yeah. This is working really nicely to apply the product as well. Like, looking at them, I'm really not seeing any difference in how it looks on the skin. So I almost feel like it's like personal preference. If you like to apply with a sponge, it applies beautifully with a sponge. But it's so much more travel friendly to just use the applicator that comes with it, because honestly, sponges are not very travel friendly because they have to be dampened. I don't have a good carrier for it. So if I was on the go, I would just use the applicator that comes with it. But I still think that this applies so nicely with the sponge. The dampened makeup sponge, I mean. So this says it's supposed to minimize pores. And I have large pores over my cheeks here and my nose. And I mean, it definitely looks like it covered up the pores, but I can still see the texture of my pores. So I didn't use any sort of skin altering primer before this. I just used my standard moisturizer. So I would still want to use like a pore filling, pore smoothing primer underneath this powder, because I can still see my large pores. But I think this did a good job of covering them, but it didn't completely minimize and smooth them as much as I would like. They definitely are more minimized than they looked without this product on them, but that's just me being picky and saying I could still use some more smoothing over my pores. But as far as like coverage of my redness, blemishes, just evening out the skin tone, it did a beautiful job. And so smooth, so quick to apply also. Like, it has that beautiful matte finish. So there you have your foundation and setting powder in one, all done. And it's not settling into any of my lines, like along my cheeks. So that's also fantastic, that it seriously is looking so skin-like. I'm really feeling like this is living up to all of those claims, which had made me so intrigued and excited to try this out. But then seeing how good it looks on the skin and just how easy it is to apply, I really have been loving powder foundations lately, because they are so easy to apply, so travel friendly for if you have to bring it with you to touch up your makeup on the go, blot at any oiliness. So I'm actually going to continue wearing this for the rest of the day, so then I can do a full wear test. And in the description down below, I will put my wear test results. I'll let you know if this lasted well on my skin, if it ended up looking cakey or greasy or breaking apart, anything like that. But first impressions, I think this is so beautiful. And I am very picky with foundations. If this was at all cakey on my skin or drying, I would not love it. And it is not doing that at all. So I'm very excited about this so far. If you've tried this product out, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. And I'm going to insert my split screen before and after of applying this foundation so that you can really see the difference. I think it is so beautiful, such a great transformation, but it still looks natural. Like, this looks like this could be my natural skin, and that's what I want my foundation to do. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.